y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lauren. So I know literally in the video, ideally yesterday, I don't know if that's how it's going to be when I upload this, but the video from yesterday, I did so much talking, but the video from yesterday, I know I got on the same outfit and everything looked the same. It's because I'm recording it back to back. But yeah, I don't know if I said this, but this is my channel, Naturally Lauren, and my name is Lauren. Welcome back. So this video is 150% improv. Like, I don't know what I'm going to say, but hold up, let me fix myself. But today's video is going to be about my goals for 2019. But yeah, y'all, goals for 2019, that's like for here on YouTube, my Instagram, and just my life in general, you know. So I just digged in my nose, let me finish. Okay, but my life in general, you know. So yeah, so keep saying so. Like I said in my last video from yesterday, I finally reached 100 subscribers this year. I got 100 in August, and I will have a my 1 year anniversary, my 1 year YouTube anniversary video up. Technically my anniversary would have been in September, because it was. I know technically it was, but I didn't record nothing about it. But I will be doing that this month, maybe later this week, next week, I don't know. But I do want to have that up because I do want to talk about that. But in my 1 year of doing YouTube, I got 100 subscribers. Like, even before the 1 year was up, I hit 100 subscribers, and now I'm at 128. So that was like really good. I'm happy about that. But I really did set myself up for failure last year. If you watch, it was a video very similar to this. Yeah, it was a video very similar to this one. I don't know what I'm going to title this, but last year, I think it was titled New Year, New Me, New Channel. Or it could have been the New Year's tag, but I'm almost positive it was the New Year, New Me. And I said my goal for this year was to have anywhere between 500 to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Now, with as inconsistent I was, and then just a lot of different factors that I don't even know, I didn't reach that. But I feel like I set myself up for failure, just having that huge goal. So this year, I really do want to have at least 500. I'm not gonna say 500 to 1,000, but 500 subscribers by the end of the year. I really do want to work harder this year with my channel and just record more, upload more, and like all different types of content. Like I said in my very first YouTube video, I don't want to just do hair. I want to talk about, like I said in my last video, I want to talk about my faith. I believe in God. You know, I want to talk about that. I like talking. Like I always say, I ain't got no friends, so this is like it's an outlet. I get to talk and all that. I really get to let my personality show, because you know I'm technically talking to myself, and I do that all the time anyway. So why not be productive and do it in front of a camera? You know. But yeah, I really do want to. This is goals still. I really do want to talk about that. I want to talk about different experiences, like with prayer, and it's like small things, but it's like amazing. It's really amazing. Like, I want to talk about all that, and then I want to tell y'all about, like I told y'all, I'm trying to find a new home church now. I want to talk to y'all about that journey and how it's going, all that. And I want to do more stuff than just here. I have done more stuff than just here. I have sat and talked to y'all multiple times. Actually, I have a whole playlist of me just talking. Like, that's the name of the playlist, me talking. I want to have that in the iCard. I think it'll be right here in either corner. You'll see it, but I just put the whole playlist. But I do have videos simply of me talking, but I want to do more. I want to have a bigger or more direct direction. Like I like talking. So it's just a lot of different things. I don't even know the point of me saying all that. I forgot the point. But I can be more consistent. I don't know if that was the point, but be more consistent. And have smaller goal increments. So now the goal, I just want to have 150. I want to get that as soon as possible, but whenever I get it, I'll be happy. I'll be more consistent this year. I want to upload at least 5 videos a month. That may be a reach, but that's really the goal. I would love to upload twice a week. maybe even more. But you know, with my life and how up and down I be, just mentally, emotionally, like up and down literally, that may not be possible. But I really do want to upload at least a video a week and 5 videos a month, maybe. I don't know. That's just a goal, you know, something I really want to do to really help get me out there, you know, more exposure. You got to post to get noticed. So, and I want to be more consistent on my Instagram as well. So, and then like I just said, I want to have at least 500 by the end of the year. But again, small goals. But as for my Instagram, it'll be 2 years of doing Instagram in March of 2019, and I still only have 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 followers. I really want to get 2,000 by the end of the year. I don't know how realistic that is, but I really want to grow my stuff. Like, I really want this to be a good year regarding my social medias, and I want to start a brand for myself, you know. The biggest goal I had last year was a brand reaching out to me, Grow Vita Hair Solutions, and I really enjoyed it. But yeah, Grow Vita Hair Solutions reached out to me, and they sent me their deep conditioner and a hair oil that I still use, and I do plan on using the rest of it on these braids, hunt tea, because we're trying to get growth. But yeah, a whole brand reached out to me, and I want more of that this upcoming year. Like, honestly, truly, I pray. Like, I'm really gonna have to get into my prayers with fasting and all that, because I really want this year to be successful in that way, because school don't make me happy, y'all. It really don't. And this could make me happy. It really could. Especially with growing and stuff, it could make me happy. So that's really a goal that I'm working on, y'all. So just growing my YouTube and simply growing my freaking Instagram. And then, like, personal goals, this year I really want to lose 60 pounds or more. Like, literally maybe 60 to 100. I really want to lose weight. And like, as for uploading more content, like I said, with me doing this, I can maybe upload gym vlogs or stuff with the gym, or videos of me and my sister walking. I don't know. I don't even know if you could do that, or if that would even be like good content. I don't know, but I really want to do that. I really want to lose weight and start like dieting and stuff. Like, I really want to get me together and get my life together. That's really the goal. That's always the goal, like every year, but I really want to do that this year. And I just pray, like, I really do pray that I see a huge growth in my channel by this summer. Like, I really hope and pray. I really do. I really do. But those are pretty much my goals. I would love to pass my classes next semester, but I don't know. But those are my goals, really, honestly. I just really want to be consistent, grow my channel, be consistent, grow my Instagram. I want to lose weight, clear skin. I feel like clear skin and all that and longer hair will come with losing weight, because it's you getting healthier. Like, I want to lose weight, like, obviously, but the goal is not just to lose weight, because you can lose weight anyway. I want to be healthy, you know, and you can be a healthy big person. You really can. My health is not bad at all, but it could definitely 110, 50, 2,000% could be better, honestly. But once that body get right, everything else will flourish too. I just know that. So yeah. But yeah, y'all, those are my goals. I really just want to grow my Instagram. But those are my goals, honestly. I keep saying it over and over again, because I just really, I'm gonna be real with y'all. Whew, I'm gonna be real with y'all. Not that my life is just terrible. It's nothing like that, because it's not. I really hate school, and it really do make me sad. I keep looking at this cross because it's just so cute. But school makes me very sad. Not very sad, but it doesn't make me happy. That's what I'm gonna say. It don't make me sad. It just don't make me happy. It makes me a little sad. I ain't gonna lie. but it don't make me happy. I think I talked about this a little bit in my last video, so I just had it linked up above too. But yeah, I don't feel like this is what my life was meant to be. Not that it's bad, because it's definitely not. But yeah, I just don't feel like this was what it was meant to be. I don't know where this situation, feeling, whatever came from, but it's just, I feel it in my soul that it's meant to be so much more. And like I didn't say this in the video, but even last year, literally in the same video that I mentioned earlier in this video, the one I referred to last year, it's the same one I'm about to refer to now. My goal for 2019 was to get friends. That literally did not happen. I don't have not one new person in my life. Oh, I really hope this don't sound depressing, but it's the truth. I don't. And I feel like with me, like I said in my last video, I keep saying that, but I'm moving home churches, so I'm finding a new home church, and with a mix of this, you know, finding home churches and stuff, I feel like that'll really expand a lot of stuff. But I feel like doing this, doing that, and just a lot of different stuff, it's going to mix up well, and this is going to be a better year, just based off of that alone. It's going to be a better year just based off that alone. And those are just, I don't even know how this video took a turn. I don't even know. That's it though. I'm done talking. This year is going to be good. It's going to be a good year because I said so. And if you watch this video and you feel any type of way about what I said, and when I say this, I mean like, you want to like talk or whatever, I don't see why you would. I didn't say nothing too sad, nothing like that. I really didn't. But oh, I know what. If you want to like help encourage each other, DM me on Instagram. My Instagram is naturally_Lori. I'll put the my name right here or right there. I don't know which side it'll be on, but my Instagram is at naturally_Lori. At naturally Lori. Hold up, baby. And you can tell me your goals, I'll tell you mine. You already know mine, but we can help keep each other motivated. If you would like, you know, we can do that. I don't know, I don't even know. I feel like this video took such a turn, but yeah, those are my goals. I just want to grow my Instagram, grow my YouTube, lose weight, just be fine, you know, get my life in order pretty much, and grow my hair, obviously. Let me tell y'all a fun fact real quick. These braids are mostly my hair. Y'all know my hair is super thin, like y'all know this, but literally the only part of the braid that none of my hair is in is my ends. Literally from like to right here is my hair. Not like in the front, you know, my edges are short, but like throughout my hair, literally it's like down here. Long hair, don't care. That's it though, y'all. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please comment. Y'all heard my goal of getting 150 soon, so please just hit the subscribe button. Please, most of y'all who watch my videos aren't even subscribed, so please just do me that favor and subscribe. So yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video, y'all. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.